complete grill, complete fog grills, everything. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video from myself, I'm D. If you're new to the channel, make sure you check out my other videos where I've been working on this Audi A3 and we're almost there. Today's a big day. I'm just leaving my house now and we're going down to take the car down to H&A Autos in Hackney. We're hopefully going to be pulling the chassis leg today, getting it all aligned, making sure that everything's all perfect, and then making sure that we do the final prep. And hopefully this week we should be getting it into the paint, and then hopefully the car should be finished by the end of the week. Fingers crossed. So stay tuned, got a busy day ahead. And guys, if you're enjoying the content that I'm bringing, make sure you smash that thumbs up button because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content that I'm bringing and it pushes my content, and that's the name of the game. I'm trying to get my content out there on my brand new channel. So guys, don't forget to smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Let's get into it. Right guys, so I'm come down to my local tyre shop, found some issues with the tyre that was on the A3. Just getting that sorted. Right guys, so as soon as I turned up, look what turned up. Complete front bumper, complete grill, complete fog grills, everything. Just to mock up, go straight on the front like that. So we're gonna continue, we've got to get that out, get it onto the dozer, get it all lined up, get it all pulling. So yeah, let's continue. Guys, we're going to use dozer, we're going to attempt to pull chassis leg. It's just out by about half an inch, but that half an inch puts everything out from the front completely out. So yeah, let's crack on. I got caught out by this morning, so I just need to swap this cable for the cable that's still attached to the car. I couldn't get the bonnet open this morning, but so stupid. So the impact of the car was on that side, and it's pushed the car that way by about an inch or so. So you have to attach it back to the dozer and pull it that direction.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This is still under a lot of tension. In essence, it's kind of stretching the metal, stretching it into position. As you can see, guys, it takes a lot of dedication, a lot of trial and error to get these body lines to line up. But for a little bit of dedication and expertise, you can get done. Have a look at that line. So we've managed to get the complete front of the car with the help of this to go back in that direction. Might look savage, but believe me, these AUDI wings are bloody tough. Right guys, here we go. After a few hours of jigging around with it, have a look at that body line. He's proud of his work, guys, he's proud of his work. How many years have you been doing this, Mustafa?
40, exactly 40.
40 years experience. Guys, that's what you need, 40 years experience in the business. This is why I bring all my cars to H&A Autos. If you're ever in Hackney or in the local area, you need your car done, come down to H&A Autos. One day, guys, I'll be sat right there. So make sure you press subscribe. Alright guys, update time. So, we spent about an hour, 2 hours sorting out the pulling of the chassis, getting everything lined up. Everything lines up fine. Bonnet is solid, it's closing like butter, it's nice. At this moment now, this is the passenger side headlight bracket that came in the post, that was on time. The other day, in the previous video, I made a phone call to a local dealership to get some parts delivered, and they're delayed. So we're stuck. We have to wait for the drive-in side headlight bracket and the drive-in side headlight needs to come in the post. They're out for delivery, so we have to pause until that happens. Look what just came to bless us. We left a little token. Alright guys, so the package we're waiting for is came, so we can continue the work on the front. Guys, it's lunchtime at H&A. I'll tell you why I like coming here, watch. You got Mr. Chef?
Yeah, I'm chef.
Guys, look at that, it's coming along. But it's lunchtime, so on that one, we're gonna end the video there. If you've enjoyed this content, make sure you press the thumbs up. I'm off to get a drink.